This nigga is running from an ass whooping.
I think the goose got glass.
He got something in his hand.
He just threw it. Nigga, I love pain. I love pain. Come on, holla. Oh my.
My brother is about to whip Goose's ass. This is exclusive shit. I don't own it. Goose just keep running. He about to chase him again. He just keep running. Goose is running like a motherfucker. I'm crossing the street.
You got here, bitch. You ain't here, nigga. You got here, bitch. You got here, nigga. What's up? Come on, you motherfucking crazy. What's up? Watch it, crazy. See, learn it. Not fast. That's not in my bitch. I thought you hit this bitch, and you look like a little bitch.
He hiding behind people's cars and shit. He's screaming, help, yo! Hell no!
Hey, put his hands on her.
I got this whole thing on tape. Hey, B!
Put his hands on her.
Hey, B, Goose hit Cookie, nigga.
Goose just hit Cookie.
Goose hit Cookie, nigga.
Goose just hit Cookie for real.
He can't even, he won't listen. You ain't listening? Goose hit Cookie. He hit Cookie.
He won't quit running.
And he won't stop running.
Look, see, we've been fucking talking.
My bro about to beat shit down his leg and he won't quit running.
I need a glass bottle. Yeah.
Yeah.
He knows he's
He trying to get out with you, Goose. You keep running. I'm gonna put the zoom on this shit. This is Goose running, part 2. He just keep running. We ain't got time to be chasing this nigga all over downtown. He's still running, y'all, and I'm still taping. I'm stopping this till I see a fight.